Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Dakota Brown. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior with a linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with command. Got a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad, and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC 300 has 50,579 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmannimports.com.